Hi friends. Many people ask me, how do we stop overthinking? Now, what is this overthinking and why is it harmful and how do we stop doing that? Thinking is a great gift given to humankind. It's only because our thinking ability is that we can plan our future, we do all these inventions, discoveries and whatnot. When does this thinking become overthinking? When we keep on thinking something that might have happened in our past, like say we are doing our work currently, but we are thinking something which happened 1 week earlier, some colleague would have passed a bad remark on us, or some negative event which happened, in your life. Or you're thinking too much into future, thinking something bad will happen to you, something negative things will happen to you, why it will happen to you, how it will happen to you. So you're thinking so much that you're not focusing on the moment, you're not focusing on what you're supposed to do right now. That is overthinking. Why is this overthinking bad? One thing is you are thinking so much about these uncontrollable factors that you will forget to live your present. That will cause a lot of stress, a lot of anxiety, and it may also lower your mood. Also, you may feel like you're very frustrated, not successful, and all these things because you are thinking a lot, you're thinking too much, you're doing overthinking. Now, how do we stop it? How do we train our mind to stop it? So, there are a few tips to do that. One thing is you have to focus on solutions rather than your problems. So you have to have a solution oriented thinking and not a problem oriented thinking. I will give you one example. A person goes to an interview and he does not clear the interview. He does not get the job. Now, a problem oriented thinker in this situation would keep on thinking why this happened to him in a negative way. Like, oh, I should have gone to a better school. My parents did not treat me well in my childhood. My childhood was bad. They did not give me a good education. They did not do justice to me. I did not have the money to go to that college. So this is problem-oriented thinking. A solution-oriented thinker in this situation, what he would do is think why that interview did not go well. I mean, he had few skills lacking. So he would focus on that and solve the problem. That is, upgrade those skills, learn those skills, and do better in the next interview. So he thought of solution to the problem and he just did not keep on thinking about the problem. So having a solution oriented thinking is very good and it will help us, not a problem focused overthinking. One more tip is focus on the reality. Most of the times we live in our own world of assumptions. We think so much and we just believe those thoughts rather than the reality. For example, a person who has failed an exam in the past, during this exam may keep on thinking, oh, I failed the exam, so I will fail the exam now also. So you are so much thinking about the failure that you tend to believe that you will fail in the exam. Instead of that, you have to focus on the reality. The reality is, yes, you had failed one exam, but there's another exam coming up, and if you study well, you will do well in that exams. So you have to focus on the reality and not on your belief. Okay, so just because you've had past failures in any area does not mean you will fail again and again and again. And one more thing, few people tend to actually believe that something bad will happen to them. So they believe that thought so much that they do not focus on what are the good things that are happening to them. So instead of believing in our thoughts, believing in our assumptions that we have to focus and believe on the reality. This is one more tip. Sometimes, though you know that these thoughts are bad for you, you are not able to stop it. You are not able to focus on the reality. You are not able to think of solutions. So what you can do then? One thing is you can try out relaxation techniques, which I've already made a video and you can see the link above. Other than that, what you can do is just take a time off, just distract yourself. You know that your thoughts are coming. Most of the times what happens is these thoughts are like a chain reaction. One negative thought will lead to one more, and all these thoughts together will make you feel really stressed out and really anxious and sad. So whenever that one thought comes, make sure you train your mind to realize, okay, this will lead to one more thought. So just distract yourself, leave that place right there, and you do something which will really occupy your mind. You can say whatever interests you a lot, like say watching a movie, talking to your friends, working out, exercise and all that. So do anything that will distract you completely. Once you feel you are okay, you are distracted and you're not thinking of that anymore, come back and do that work. One more thing is, don't be too hard on yourself. Some people are too hard on themselves, like they're not able to study entire day, or they're not able to work entire day. So they tend to think that they are very bad, they're not doing their work, they feel guilty. Not every day is your day. I mean, there are a few days when you may not be able to study, not be able to work. That's okay. Let it go. Don't keep thinking regarding that day and keep feeling guilty for that day. Some people think by worrying about future, by anticipating something very bad in future, you'll be more prepared to that future. It's definitely not true. Overthinking will cause a lot of stress and a lot of anxiety, and in fact your performance will be reduced. So of course, you should know what can happen, but don't think so much and don't believe so much on that thought. You have to be prepared for all situations, but not to the extent that you keep thinking about it entire day and don't do your work properly. You can take a vacation in your mind, like you can go back to some time when you really enjoyed something, going somewhere. So take a break from the current and think of that vacation, relive that vacation in your mind. Thinking of the past will not change what has happened. Worrying about the future will also not change what has happened. So we have to just go with the flow and live that moment in a good way. If you keep on overthinking, what happens is that you will not do the work you're supposed to do that day. You will not live your life that you're supposed to live that day. It will definitely reduce your productivity, your happiness, and all the good things in your life. One more thing is you have to always stay positive. I have already made one YouTube video on how to stay positive. You can see the link on the right hand corner of your screen. So you can click on the link and follow all those steps that I've told to stay positive. Other than this overthinking might be a part of a psychiatric problem, like say you are in a lot of stress or you are in depression, anxiety. That disorder can make you do overthinking, that automatically overthinking can happen. So in these situations you will need professional help and you should take it. Don't think that you are alone or don't suffer in silence. You can take professional help in these scenarios. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share the video so that more people can get benefit out of it. Thank you. Have a great day.